Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you the Stone Ages. Early humans led simple lives. In previous chapter, you have read about early humans. They led simple lives. They were basically hunters and gatherers. That means they used to move from one place to another and hunt the animals and gather food. They hunted animals and gathered fruits, nuts, and roots to eat. They lived in caves or treetops to save themselves from environment. They used to live in caves, and to save themselves from wild animals they used to live on the treetops. They covered their bodies. At that time there was no clothes, so they used to cover their bodies with bark of trees, animal skin, and furs. They used simple tools and weapons made of stones and bones. At that time, they were using simple tools that was made up of stones and bones. They used to roam from place to place in search of food and shelter. As Stone Age is the period before humans learned to write, our knowledge about this period is based on archaeological evidences. So this period was based on archaeological evidences such as bones, tools, weapons, and cave paintings. They have been found. The period of human history in which humans mainly used stone tools is known as Stone Age. So underline it. The period of human history in which humans mainly used stone tools is known as Stone Age. We will study about the Stone Age in three different ages. They are Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age, Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age, and Neolithic Age or New Stone Age. Paleolithic is the Old Stone Age is also called Paleolithic Age. Now underline it. The word paleo in Greek means old and lithic means stone. So this is all about Paleolithic. This is the meaning of Paleolithic Age. So how was the life in the Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age? During the Old Stone Age, hunters were mainly nomads or wanderers. They moved from place to place in search of food and shelter. They always moved and hunted in groups. They were not moving alone. Whenever they move in groups. They were hunter gatherers. They hunted and gathered their food. During this period, they didn't know how to grow their food. They hunted animals and fishes and gathered fruits, nuts, and honey. The women helped to gather food. The women used to gather food like fruits and berries, and while the men hunted the animals. Their methods of hunting were very simple. At that time, there was no at that time different types of tools were not found. Only simple tools were found. So the method of hunting was very simple. How they used to hunt? They chased the animal till it was tired. So they used to run after the animals till it was tired, till the animal became tired. And after that, they used to dig a pit to capture animals. While running, when they became tired and there was a pit, so animals used to fall into the pit, and then after early humans used to hunt the animals. They didn't have clothes, so during winters they covered themselves with the bark of trees, skin of animals, or fur. At that time they didn't have clothes. Now we are having woolen clothes and different types of clothes, but at that time there was no clothes. So during winter they used to wear bark of trees and skin of animals or fur to keep their bodies warm. They always found shelters near places where water and food were available. Their life continued in the similar fashion for thousands of years. so they became used to this life. So this is all about Paleolithic age. In the next video, I'll teach the next topic, discovery of fire.